Good afternoon. So, this is the trip, long awaited trip. After many years, we went almost, yes, 2017, and then I had prayed to the God that my son should get IAT, and then after that I just was thinking after his achievement whether I should keep my hair, how will I look, and all that, so many doubts. And meanwhile we visited Golden Temple. There I purchased some books which said hair is the strength of every human being, and then that changed my mind, and I just went to Tirupati after that by walk and gave only the route, little bit hair. So this is the way we go by car, and there is another way we go by walk, and walk takes maybe 4 hours, and we have a prayer next time to go by walk. This was instant plan, and it was really awesome. After many years, after coming to Tambram, this is the first time we are going together, all three of us, to Thirumala. So it's an awesome scenery. All those who have never visited Thirumala, please visit. It's superb. Earlier, during our grandma's time, whenever we went, it was a narrow road where 2 vehicles used to come same time, the going one and the coming one, always causing fear to us, who will fall and all that. It was very steep also, but now there is a different way for going and returning. So you can see it, this is going path, and for returning you have a different path. How clean it is, it's really clean this side. When we are walking towards, we find the nature pleasing us. Awesome. Only if you have a practice of riding on the hills, you can. Alright. The first time when we rode, it was our first car, Alto, which gave good mileage, and Alto was the one which made us practice a lot how to drive on the hills. First time when we went by Alto, lot of fear I had. I was just praying, and now I have got full confidence that on the hills we are safe. Experienced hand. You can see the way he is riding there. That much experienced. I am the guru actually. I gave him the confidence, but he never gives me confidence to ride the car. I have a wish to ride the car soon. So enjoy this. It's really superb. It's almost like riding on the foreign land. Yes, Switzerland. Because I have gone there, I can think about Switzerland there. The ride on the hills. This is towards Thirumala. Every place has its own beauty. The way is too clean. Enjoy. The greeneries are awesome. I always think, why not our Chennai too has all around the greeneries like this. I would request our government to plan something like this. Everywhere greeneries. Every building must have 2 or 3 trees all around. And now we are here standing in the queue. There's a long queue here. Free darshanam. So both of us have our beautiful hair. He looks really handsome with that hairstyle. And me, I'm becoming naughty there. I was really confused whether I'll be. With lot of decision I decided to give my hair. It was actually my son's desire to give his hair, and he called us and he said, I am going to shave myself. Let's go. And I never thought of shaving myself until then. But when he asked us to come along with him for this offering, I was in dilemma where and many of them spoke about this hair offering. Many of them spoke about something as other related to hair. So one child told my mother, ma'am, how are you having such thick hair? My mother has less hair, and that's a depression for her. And then somebody asked me, so you're going to Thirumala? So you're going to give your golden hair? I never had that intention also, but when people started asking, then I did. I thought for a while, maybe God wants me to offer, which I long back decided not to. I was thinking like Golden Temple. It was the book which I read said that hair is a strength for every individual. That made me decide only to just offer the root, the tip of the hair. But when people started asking me again about my hair offering, and then me also, I started getting dilemma. Then I thought, when my son is giving his favorite, why not me? And that's how this decision of me offering my hair to the God. I was actually thinking that why people should offer their dirty hair to the God. But there's a history. God wants it. And I believe in God. Spirituality, as I said, sports, physical education, health is physical, mental, social, emotional, and spiritual well-being of an individual. So here is my spiritual well-being, positive thoughts, and things happen. Everything happened, and we are returning back here after offering our hair to the God. We have a plan of going next time also. My son's desire of going by walk is still pending. So here we are returning back to Chennai on the same day. We even had a plan of going along with him to his workplace, his stay place. But he said, no, we are going to home. He has become home bird. So we are returning back home. The hills, the sceneries, the nature. It's really beautiful. Please preserve these natures. I request everyone here, say the mountain, and it's beautiful, awesome. And here I am with my saved hair. Right? Is it looking good? Me as give me comments here. How do I look after the haircut? After my shave. Give me 5 star. Right? So thank you all of you. Subscribe, share, and press the bell button for further notification. It's really hard riding on the road, the lorries here and there, and people with no rules. I request everyone to take care of your nature, beautiful nature. La 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 la. You know, the earlier video which I uploaded got copyright, so this time uploading will be only my voice, and hope this doesn't get copyright issue. Earlier one